patrol by Russian hypersonic missile ships at sea. Russian President Vladimir Putin on Wednesday sent a frigate armed with the country's newest hypersonic missile, Zircon, on a transoceanic voyage to reinforce amid tensions with the West. Russia says the Zircon missile can evade Western air defenses by flying at a speed of 11,265 km per hour. Commissioned by the Navy in 2018 after lengthy trials, the Admiral Gorshkov is the first ship in a series of new frigates designed to replace aging Soviet-built destroyers as the main strike component of the Russian Navy. Armed with various missiles, this ship is 130 meters long and has a crew of around 200 people. In 2019, the ship circumnavigated the world's oceans on a journey of 35,000 nautical miles. Admiral Gorshkov has become the main test site for Zircon, Russia's newest hypersonic missile. In recent years, Zircon has undergone a series of tests, including being launched at various practice targets. The military declared the test successful, and the Zircon officially entered service last fall. Zircon is intended to arm Russian cruisers, frigates and submarines and can be used against enemy ships and ground targets. It is one of several hypersonic missiles being developed by Russia. Putin praised Zircon as a powerful weapon capable of penetrating existing anti-missile defenses by flying 9 times the speed of sound at a distance of more than 1,000 kilometers. Putin has emphasized that Zircon provides the Russian military with long-range conventional strike capabilities, allowing it to strike enemy targets with precision. Russia's drive for hypersonic weapons comes as the US has been working on its own fast conventional global strike capability, which envisions hitting enemy strategic targets with precision-guided conventional weapons anywhere in the world within an hour. Putin touted Zircon as Russia's answer to that, claiming the new weapon has no rivals, giving Russia a strategic advantage. Russia has commissioned the Avangard hypersonic glide vehicle for several ground-based intercontinental ballistic missiles that are part of Russia's strategic nuclear triad. Putin praised the Avangard's ability to maneuver at hypersonic speed when approaching targets, evading air defenses,